Our UK NHS antibiotic subscription model is a really groundbreaking incentive programme and the first in the world to pay companies a fixed annual fee for antimicrobials based on their value to patients, their value to the NHS as opposed to the volumes used. Not only is this programme encouraging urgently needed innovation in pharmaceutical antimicrobial research and development, but it's also now driving real progress on the topic of AMR in the environment, because all antibiotic manufacturers that are contracted under the NHS subscription model must now be certified by BSI to show their compliance to the antibiotic manufacturing standard, thus evidencing that the manufacturers have maintained a strict control of their waste discharge during the antibiotic manufacturing process to mitigate the risk to the surrounding aquatic environment and to mitigate the threat of antibiotic resistance. This is a huge step in connecting the One Health pillars of human health and environment. This antibiotic manufacturing standard and BSI certification are a key recommendation in the recently released UK National Action Plan on AMR, and I really support this. Indeed, I encourage other governments and procurers of antibiotics to maintain and mandate this BSI standard and certification.